256 in the back.
What's up?
So North Alabama kind of had an ice age of 2021.
Ice Age of 2021?
Yeah, that's what
Tomorrow's
we're
going to be Ice Age the Meltdown.
See, I like this guy. So, this is what we currently are going through right now.
And we've been going sideways because we got a guy over here that don't know how to drive.
No, Mike knows how to drive.
I drive better sideways than I do straight anyway.
I was about to say, I trust Mike driving sideways more than straight. But, so yeah, Mike's driving. And, we've already been sideways a bunch of times.
I turn left now, or turn right now?
We turn right now.
No, we slide right.
No, yeah, you're right. Oh.
Whoa! Whoa.
Alright, so we had to take a break for a minute. Mike got a little too excited.
Yeah, we had to pause for technical difficulties.
What technical difficulties? That road slow.
No, it was mechanical
We're
difficulties.
in a 2-wheel drive open diff truck.
It was mechanical difficulties.
Yeah.
But
hang in there, we'll be right back.
Hang in there.
we got to put an ad break right there. Like a
the cat.
yeah.
The cat hang in there, we'll be right back.
So yeah, so we're going back straight now. We're going the way that we're supposed to be going.
Again.
Yeah, again. But the snow it's snow anymore. It's already turning to rain.
Hang on. Hang on, guys. We go sideways again.
Tree.
Mailbox.
I said that about the ditch earlier, but you know,
He said we weren't even close to the ditch, and his back tires, you can see the marks where it hung right off into the ditch.
It's okay. I stayed in it. We're okay. If I'd have stopped, we'd have been screwed.
Yeah. Well, I've really been screwed because I've been walking all the way back to the house to get my service truck.
Yeah, this like
Where do you think we'd be walking to?
to get the service truck.
No, y'all be sitting in the truck with warm.
No.
I'd be the one having to hoof it back.
So the other reason why we're out here tonight is because a buddy of ours decided to get his Mustang stuck in the ditch.
Well, it's raining now, so maybe it'll change over to the rain. And this will all be gone.
See, this would be fun right here on a four-wheeler. Come around this curve.
If we
Should
had a
have never
four-wheeler.
said nothing.
If we had a 4-wheeler, but we don't have a 4-wheeler.
I mean, we technically are in a four-wheeler.
Well, yes. Yes and no.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh.
Mike knows what he's doing.
Yeah, but that was a little quick.
Yeah, he's good.
That's a little quicker than
You
I
gotta keep some
would
momentum.
want.
Yeah, you gotta keep momentum, man.
Momentum helps you.
If
get
you don't
over.
go fast enough,
there's
while going-
momentum. There's momentum, and then there's just plain stupid.
Yes, which is where we're at now.
Oh my goodness, Kerry.
See, so my truck, you touch the brakes like right here, and my truck goes, yeah, that's done.
He ain't in a ditch. He just got off in the grass.
Okay, guys. So we made it over to Carrie's house. If I can get it to zoom in here. There we go.
What?
We got Shannon.
Hey.
YouTube channel.
We got Carrie. We got Mustang Mike.
Mustang channel, so let's
Hey, Mike.
find an idiot with a Mustang that's going to get out on the road.
Oh, hell no.
We weren't even going to make it to it. Oh, ow, that one hurt. Anyway. It's all right. Greg, straighten your wheel up.
Move, Mason.
There it goes. Easy. Go that way a little bit. There you go. No, straighten your wheel up.
I ain't worried about that car on there.
Right, I'm just saying you keep your wheel straight. It'll work. There you go.
There you go.
Easy, easy. There you go. You're in the road now. Great time. Well, we got.
Not too well.
Hey, we got you out of the driveway. We'll see you later. Craig and Mike. God, this stuff is deep. as you seen in the video, we did get Carrie unstuck for the most part. Got him back in the driveway anyway. But yeah, we still got some snow left. It's a little windy out here tonight. This is the next night. We had a little rain come in today. Most of it's going off the roads. We still got a few flurries flying around tonight. Temperature's supposed to drop down pretty cold, but yeah, we're not too worried about it. So now, I'm gonna go back in where it's warm and edit the rest of this video. You guys have a good night. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.